G minor 7 to C minor 7. G to C. Now you know where the G is, and you know where the C is. You know the minor 7 shape. Everything is hunky-dory. Here we go. 1, 2, get ready for the G minor 7. 2, ready, go. 2, now get ready for C minor 7. 2, 3, G. 2, 3, up to C minor 7. Beautiful, yes. G minor 7, wonderful. 2, 3, 4, G minor 7, up to C minor 7. 2, your hand gets to take a break while we're changing chords. We're moving. 2, 3, 4. I could do this all day and all night. Yeah, here we go. 2, you can too. I bet you can write a song around this chord progression, right? Vamp, yeah. Boom, 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 dun, dun, dun. I bet you have a great feel for 4 now because you've been counting all along, haven't you? If you would like to try half notes or quarter notes, you may, or even 16ths. Up to C, back to G minor 7 now, yeah.